Hello, my name is Arthur Katona. I'm a medical doctor specializing in the field of hair loss and hair restoration surgery. We have a newer technique that can help a whole host of hair loss patients and hair transplant patients, and that's something called SMP or scalp micropigmentation. What does this really entail? It really involves placing really tiny droplets of ink in the areas that patients are concerned about, and that could be a little touch up in the frontal hairline, it could be in the crown, it could be adding some coloration SMP to improve the overall density of a hair transplant. It could also be for those patients who are not ready for a hair transplant procedure, so they're earlier in their journey of hair loss and hair restoration. It could be for those folks who've had a previous strip scar or FUT procedure that left them with a linear scar in the back of the head, or any scar in general on the scalp. So the SMP technique is a potential solution for many patients. We've seen many patients, unfortunately, who've had a surgical procedure overseas, and we're only left with one treatment option, which might necessitate performing a very small hair transplant procedure in combination with an SMP treatment. And maybe for those who've had a hair transplant procedure and they just need a little bit more appearance of density in a particular spot or area, the SMP technique could be the right solution for a variety of patients. Find the SMP technique is particularly beneficial or helpful to the female patient, to the African American patient. We use the SMP method sometimes as a standalone treatment, which is much more affordable in general, and less discomfort and quicker recovery and faster results. So for that client that's looking for quick results and looking for something that's more affordable, the SMP approach may be very appropriate for that particular patient. But it's really critical that you drop by the clinic, meet with us, speak with us about what the SMP procedure or technique can do for you. And as I was saying earlier, it could be helpful for a whole variety of patients. For those folks maybe just looking for a little bit more appearance of density, or to refine the hairline a little bit, or for those folks who feel that they have no donor hair available left and leaving us with the SMP method exclusively. So we do hope we get to meet with you and speak to you very specifically about the SMP procedure and what that might be able to offer you. And as a medical clinic, we can really juggle and balance what SMP can achieve and what medical surgical options can achieve, and combine all of them and get you a great result and get you to a better place. So please do drop by the clinic. Let's discuss how the SMP technique fits in with the surgery and our medical treatment options. We really hope we get to meet with you soon and show you what we can do.